way to Lake St. Peter Provincial Park. Bringing Orby, Trish, Liz, and our first stop is a chip truck. Where are we? Dwight? We're in Dwight. There's a cute Bombus Boler. Nothing's fully set up yet. Oh my gosh. Soaked. Everything's soaking. Just let us set up for a minute. New addition to Bombus Boler is this giant cute bee. A little messy right now, but find a little hole for everything soon. Electrical's working. Outside. Tacos.
He uses one of those air fryer thingies for everything. He makes like Dabby.
Great. There is a pavilion. up. It's been pissing rain and I'm frustrated. But we're leaving Lake St. Peter.
It's been a good 2 nights.
Yeah, we had a good sleep last night, so that's good. Night before was really cold, so last night we cuddled.
It was too warm.
It was too warm, but good.
Yeah.
So, see you next time.
For this place, Lake Peter's. What? Lake St. Peter's.
Lake St. Peter is a good one.
Yeah,
Spacious, private, only 65 sites. Quiet, clean. Yep.
Nice.
Take care.
Bye.